Hey folks, Crazy Larry down here at Larry's Rod Shop. We got a 2008 Ford F-150, bad power windows. Let's get into it. Let's start this off by saying all the power windows do not go up or down. There's no actuation on anything. It's not like there's one motor or the one window stuck down in the down position. Nothing works. Okay. Look at, I got my meter and my pick light out, and I'm ready to take this all apart. Don't. I'm telling you, it's the first place you go is down here. Look, right here. I've already made the repair. I put a bunch of plies in. It's the blue and black wire. And it runs everything. All right, I'm going to do this just for you guys. All right. Pop that off. And when we look at this, there's our blue and black wire. Okay. And that's, if you put your meter on that, I'm not even going to bother because I know there's no power there. Well, I've already fixed it, so there is power there. Okay, but, when I got this truck, that's the first place I went, is right down there, and that's what you should do as well. Okay, so we made the repair. We're going to turn the rig on, just turn the key on, and let's see what we got here. I'm going to take the door locks from not working to, there you go, down, down, down over there, down right here, back up, da 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 da. All right. So I hope that saves you some time. Don't even go to the fuse box. Check that little junction point first. And, you get your meter out, you can get your pick light out, but tear open that, unfortunately, again, if the wrecked the rubber boot that's in there, replace the rubber boot, get some nice rubber back tape, self-adhesive tape, electrician's tape, not the vinyl stuff. Use the rubber, it sticks to itself. All right, that's what you got to use there, and make a good repair with I use a bunch of supplies. You can solder it, you can do a bunch of stuff, but make a nice repair in there because it gets work hardened. It goes back and forth so many times. It work hardens the copper, and the copper just breaks. That's what happens, especially those big number 10 wires, and it's a common fault with these trucks. Okay, hope that helps.